chest stretch, hand here, rotate your body out. Okay, if you can't feel the stretch, change the hand position and you feel the stretch through there. Easy, good. Second one is your pec minor stretch, so elbow at 90 degrees and then rotating your torso to get a good stretch there. Okay, cool. Alright, and then corner, hands up here, make sure that your fingers are below your shoulder height. Keeping your back straight, you're coming in, feeling a stretch like that. Okay, you don't want to do this, okay, you want to lean your back in. Get better at that, you start to progress to a bench dip. So on your bed or your kitchen counter, making sure your palms are forward as you do this one. Okay, coming down, feeling a big stretch through the chest and the shoulders, and then coming back up. Once you start not feeling as much of a stretch, you need to add weight to make it a resistant stretch. So coming up with a bit of weight, arms out, again going for that horizontal extension, feeling a stretch in the chest, squeezing your shoulder blades. So hold it for a couple seconds, 3 to 4 seconds, and then come across, get a full contraction across your body, and then full stretch again. So you get a maximal relaxation after a maximal contraction. So go for a contract your chest, squeeze the chest, and then you get a nice stretch in that bottom position. So the last variation would be a body weight dip. So this gets your chest into full extension with a little bit of weight, so it's a really good stretch for the whole chest. Also helps to stretch the shoulders a bit as well. So over this way. Or to use your body weight on a dip, you can start in this bottom position and just kind of drop your knees down into it and feel this big stretch here. So I do that as part of my warm-up. Secondly, you can do eccentric work. So if you jump up and then you slowly control your body weight down, it will get you used to that stretch position at the bottom, and then over time you can repeat those for sets of anywhere between 5 to 8, and then once you get comfortable you go through the whole rep where you come all the way down, hold it for 3 to 5 seconds, and then all the way back up as well.